Hi friends, today I'm going to explain what is DSC and its classification and how to use DSC for patent registration. So without wasting time, let's get started. So friends, DSC stands for Digital Signature Certificate, which is used for authorization purposes. And here let me first show you how the DSC looks like. Here you can see the token of eMudra. This is just a USB token which having some kbps of memory, which stores the personal information. And here you can see the different vendors who are providing the DSC in the market. And as I told you, DSC is classified into two different classes, class 3 and class 2, whereas class 3 is high, safe and secure as compared to class 2, and class 3 is price sensitive as well. And you might have a question like you are having a DSC which you generally use for other purposes, whether you have to buy a new one or not. Well, you can use the old DSC which you had already bought for other purposes. You no need to opt for the new DSC for patent registration. You can go with the old DSC. And for buying of new DSC, you can go with the different websites or vendors. Here I'm showing emudra.com, and here you can see the usage types of different kinds. For patent registration, we generally go for trademark, and you can select the class 2 or class 3. I prefer class 3 since it is more safe and secure. You can actually see the price difference as well. And here I'm selecting the individual, and depending upon your requirement, the validity and certificate type has to be just a signature, no need of encryption. You can see the price range of 2000 for eMudra. Now let me show you how to install and how to use the token of a DSC. Here I bought a token from eMudra, which is class 3 DSC. Here you can see I just inserted my token to my laptop, and here you can see the token has been inserted. Now let me install it first. And now you can observe the option for the token which we had inserted. By just clicking on it, you can go with the different options of an token. Now just click on login. When token is given to you, they also provide you the pin for logging. So just use that pin for logging. Once you log in, you can see the different options, and here you can see the DSC, which I got it from the eMudra, and it is a class 3 DSC. So here you can see the class 3, and if you want to view the certificate, you can go to the view certificate options, and where you can see the in-depth details of the certificate. And by using the options on the right hand side, you can actually change the pin or the password, and you can even change the token name and all. And in our upcoming videos, I will be showing you how to use the DSC for patent registration. And please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.